Hey there, fellow wealth builders. Welcome back to WealthWise. Today, we're diving into a fundamental aspect of financial success budgeting. If you've ever wondered how to take control of your finances, achieve your goals, and pave the way to financial freedom, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be mastering the art of budgeting, one of the most powerful tools for managing your money effectively. So let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding the importance of budgeting. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of budgeting, let's talk about why it's so crucial. A budget is like a financial roadmap, guiding you towards your financial goals. It helps you track your income, expenses, and savings, ensuring that your money is allocated wisely. With a well-planned budget, you can avoid overspending, pay off debts, and build a strong financial cushion. Let's consider the benefits of budgeting in detail. Firstly, budgeting creates financial awareness. It shows you exactly where your money is going, empowering you to make informed decisions about your spending habits. Secondly, budgeting promotes financial discipline. By setting clear spending limits for each category, you'll be less likely to overspend on non-essential items. Thirdly, budgeting helps you achieve your financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a home, or planning for retirement, a budget will keep you on track. However, creating a budget can be daunting for some, so let's break it down step by step. Segment 2. Step-by-step guide to creating a budget. Step 1. Assess your financial situation. Start by analyzing your income and understanding your monthly expenses. Categorize your expenses into essential, like housing, utilities, and groceries, and non-essential, like dining out. Entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of your cash flow. Step 2. Set financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's paying off debts, saving for a vacation, or investing for retirement, having clear goals will help you prioritize your spending. Step 3. Create a realistic budget. Now, it's time to put those numbers into action. Allocate a portion of your income to each expense category, ensuring that your total expenses don't exceed your income. Be realistic and leave room for unexpected expenses. Step 4. Track your spending. Budgeting is an ongoing process. Keep track of your spending regularly and make adjustments as needed. There are various apps and tools to help you stay organized and on track. Step 5. Review and revise. At the end of each month, review your budget. Celebrate your successes and identify areas for improvement. Adjust your budget to reflect any changes in your financial situation or goals. Budgeting can seem restrictive, but it's essential to remember that it's not about depriving yourself. Instead, it's about making conscious choices with your money and aligning your spending with your values and priorities. Segment 3. Overcoming budgeting challenges. Budgeting is not always smooth sailing. It's common to face challenges along the way. Some people find it hard to stick to a budget, while others may experience unexpected financial emergencies. Let's address these challenges and find solutions together. Staying disciplined, cultivate good financial habits, and remind yourself of your goals regularly. Consider setting up automatic transfers to savings accounts to avoid temptations. Dealing with unexpected expenses, emergency fund to the rescue. Having a financial cushion will help you weather unexpected storms without derailing your budget. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, avoid the temptation to increase your expenses. Use extra income to boost your savings and investments. Communicating with family. Budgeting affects everyone in the household. Ensure open communication and involve family members in the budgeting process. Adjusting for life changes. Life is dynamic, and so should your budget be. Whenever there are significant life changes, such as a new job, marriage, or having a baby, make necessary adjustments to your budget. Remember, budgeting is a learning process. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every step towards financial empowerment. It's okay to make mistakes and learn from them. Segment 4. Advanced budgeting strategy. Once you've mastered the basics of budgeting, you can explore advanced strategies to enhance your financial journey. Zero-based budgeting. This method allocates every dollar of your income to specific categories, leaving no room for unallocated spending. It can be a powerful way to maximize savings and stay accountable for every dollar. Envelope system. Use cash envelopes for specific expenses to help control discretionary spending and maintain budget discipline. It's a tactile and visual way to manage your money effectively. Pay yourself first. Prioritize saving and investing by setting aside a portion of your income before paying bills and expenses. This ensures that your financial goals receive priority over other expenses. Use windfalls wisely. Handle unexpected bonuses or windfalls responsibly by allocating them to financial goals instead of splurging. Windfalls can accelerate your progress towards financial success. By adopting these advanced strategies, you can optimize your budget and accelerate your progress towards financial success. Remember, the key is to find a budgeting method that aligns with your lifestyle and helps you achieve your unique financial goals. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to master the art of budgeting. Remember, budgeting is the foundation of financial success and independence. Start today, take control of your money, and watch your financial dreams become a reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more finance tips and strategies, subscribe to WealthWise. Together, let's build a community of financially empowered individuals. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay wise and stay wealthy.